Good morning, dear students. In this video, we will discuss about various components of food. We know that food helps us to grow, give energy, and keep us healthy. So, the usual substances which provide all these things to our body are known as nutrients. In other words, nutrients are the substances that provide nourishment to our body and which are required for the growth and maintenance of our life. Different food items are classified on the basis of the nutrients present in them and their functions in our life. Right? So these are, first one is energy giving foods, carbohydrates and fats. They both come under the energy giving foods, whereas proteins, which are the body building foods, because they build and repair our body. It helps in body growth and it repairs the damaged parts of our body. As well as vitamins and minerals, these are the protective foods because they protect our body from various kinds of diseases and keep us disease free. So there are different types of nutrients present in food. These are also called the components of food. So 6 types of components are present here: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and mineral, water and roughage. Right? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, these are the nutrients because they give nourishment to our body. Right? But water and roughage, they helps our body to clean. No doubt they don't give us any nourishment to our body, but they help these nutrients to get absorbed in our body and keeps our body clean. So different sources are there for the proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, calcium, vitamins and fats and different nutrients. Starting with the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body and they are present in the form of starch and sugar only. What happens to carbohydrates in our body? When we eat food items containing carbohydrates, our digestive system, it changes these carbohydrates into blood sugar, also known as glucose. Right? Also known as glucose. This glucose or this sugar, it is used for our body to give energy, or it provides energy to our body. For what things? For cells, for tissues and for various organs, for the repair of organs also. Right? So these carbohydrates give us energy by breaking down into sugar, and this sugar is used for cells, tissues and organs. Right? Also, extra sugar, extra glucose or extra sugar which is left unused in our body is stored in liver and muscles, liver and muscles, which are used later on in our body for energy. Carbohydrates are made up of 3 components: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon and hydrogen, oxygen, these all are the elements which you will come to know in your higher classes, but for the time let me tell you, these are the components which combines to form a carbohydrates. As the name indicate, carbo comes from carbon, okay, and hydrates, they include oxygen and hydrogen. So they combines to form carbohydrate, means their building blocks are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates are present in two main forms in our body, mainly sugar and second is starch. Sugar we can get from various kinds of fruits, right? So as mango, banana, lychee, melon, etc. And starch is mainly present in wheat cereals like wheat, rice, maize, etc. They are the very rich source of the starch. But also some vegetables like potato and different more vegetable can also be there, but mainly the potato, it contains starch, right? So to detect the presence of starch in various food items, we will see the video of the test for sugar and starch both. Okay, so next part of the video will include test for sugars in food items.